Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Iftikhar Ahmad Baig, Professor of Education from Lahore, Pakistan, and I am associated with the Ontario Learning Centre, Canada, which is presenting unique academic activities of organizing conferences, organizing book fairs, organizing seminars, webinars, and other international activities online. And now we are proceeding for a online book fair, which is a unique activity. This book fair is being organized with cooperation of Punjab University, Lahore, Pakistan. Here, thousands of books are on display. The function will be on 20th February, 21st February, and 22nd February. It is a unique incident. Here, conferences will be organized, here, discussions will be held, there will be seminars during this book fair, and it will be a unique activities for those who want to learn, who want to participate, and who want to take benefit from this academic activity. So we invite students, faculty members, teachers from the universities, staff of the universities to join us and join this unique, avail the opportunity from this unique event and take benefit of this academic achievement. Thank you very much.